Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve your Bluetooth problem on your Infinix Smart 7. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here to solve your Infinix, here you have to move on setting. After that, here you can scroll on the down. On the last, you are going to find the system option. Here just tap on system. When you tap on system, here you can see the reset phone option. Click on here reset phone. Then after that, here you can see reset Wi-Fi setting. Tap on reset Wi-Fi setting. Then after that, click on reset here on the down. By doing these steps, your Bluetooth problem will be solved. Okay, not only the Bluetooth problem but also Wi-Fi problem, network problem, Bluetooth problem, mobile data problem, this all problem will be solved. Okay, by just click on reset. Okay, and friends, if it doesn't solve, then you just check your Bluetooth. Okay, just check your Bluetooth. Who knows, your mobile phone there is a problem. That's why I'm giving you next solution. Click on this backup to Google Drive. Turn on this icon. After that, click on backup. After backup, in here move on reset phone. Then here click on erase all data and click on erase all data. Okay, then your problem will be solved successfully. Okay friends, so friends, this was the video about how you can solve your Bluetooth. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.